Whooping cough continues to spread with almost 100 new cases in Minnesota this week alone. The state health department is now saying high school age kids are a big part of the problem this year. Alex Jokic explains.
Teenagers may not be the age group you think of with whooping cough, but state health officials pointed out to us a trend they're seeing, and they are now working very closely with schools. Local doctors are also on high alert.
We are on the lookout.
Dr. Liz Plachek has been watching the numbers. A surge in pertussis, more commonly known as whooping cough, started back in April here in Minnesota. Notice that big block of blue bars right now compared to the 2 years before. The Minnesota Department of Health confirms that as of this week, more than 1,000 cases have been reported in 2024, compared to just 61 in all of last year. Is that surprising?
This is more than we typically see.
Pediatricians like Dr. Plachek say it is affecting kids of all ages. In fact, late Friday, the Minnesota Department of Health told us this. Minnesota is seeing a significant burden occur in high school age children, which is consistent with when the adolescent vaccine for pertussis begins to wane. Going on to say they want exposed families to be tested right away so teenagers who may just be mildly ill don't spread it to those at risk of getting seriously sick, like little babies.
Typically, it starts off like a cold virus. We see snotty nose, we see cough, we see maybe a fever. Those symptoms may improve a little bit, but then we see this cough. This persistent, deep cough that continues and continues. The 100 days cough is what people call it.
And if you come down with that high-pitched cough, know that pertussis can be treated with antibiotics. Officials say it is important to start treatment for whooping cough as early as possible. That'll give you the best chance at preventing a more severe cough for yourself and stopping the spread to others, especially right now while case numbers are this high. In the newsroom, Alex Jokic, 5 Eyewitness News.